Today I'm going to show you how to install Putco's Luminix LED fog lights on this 2017 Ford F-150. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here's our fog light. Now the first thing I want to mention is we have this thing up on a lift. We took our plastic valance off. You don't have to do that to do this installation. It's actually pretty simple. We just did that so you can actually see what's going on here. So the first thing that we need to do is unplug our fog light. So if you just take a tiny screwdriver to the back piece right here where it's clipped in, just pry that off a little bit. And then you can just pull it out just like that. So we're also going to remove the bulb from the housing. You just have to turn that counterclockwise and pull it out. We're not going to reuse that. Next thing that we're going to do is you have a factory adjustment screw here. We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver and take that out. There is a spring on top that's also going to come out with it. So just make sure you keep an eye on your spring. You want to remove that too and keep that for later because you're going to reinstall that. So now on each side of your housing, you're going to have a clip. You're just going to use a flathead screwdriver, get in there and pull it out. Once you have it out far enough, you should be able to push on the housing a little bit to pry it loose. You're going to do this on both sides. And now once you get both sides loose, you should just be able to pull it out. Make sure you have your hand on the front so you don't accidentally just pop it out. There you go. You can remove that and you're not going to reuse it. Now we're going to assemble our new fog light with our bracket. So we're going to have our name at the bottom. We're just going to flip that over. And then at the top of our light, we're going to see two holes. We're going to take our bracket, set that in place over our two holes. Now when you're putting this in place, you want the long side of the bracket, the one with the square hole, to be closest to the inside of the truck. So if you're working on the driver's side, you're going to want that on the right. If you're working on the passenger side, you're going to want that square hole on your left. Next, we're going to take our Phillips head screws with lock washers and thread those in by hand. Once we got both of those started, we're going to go ahead and make sure our bracket is level with our light. Once that's in the correct place, we can go ahead and tighten down our screws. Next, we're going to remove the plastic screw nut that is on our factory light. So on the back, you can see there's some tabs. We're just going to take a pair of pliers, squeeze those together, and gently push until we get this out, just like that. Set that assembly aside. And then when we install this on our new light, it's going to go in the square hole that's towards the back of our bracket, and it's going to go on the underside. So if this is the top of our light here, when we flip that over, it's going to go underneath. So we're also going to use a washer. We're going to put that in first, and then our screw nut, just like that. Now we're going to take our new light and push it through the housing from the front. You'll hear it click into place. So now it is retained in our clips on the sides, and then we can go ahead and put in our spring and our screw. Now our spring is going to go on top of this plastic tab and then underneath our screw nut. Our screw is going to come up through the bottom and into the screw nut. Once you get that in, you can use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten that down. Now while you do this, you want to go out to the front periodically and you want to check your alignment of your light. And then once it's straight, you're good to go. And the last thing that we're going to do is plug it in. Just like that. And then repeat that whole process on your other side. That completes the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.